Right, so this is the last door that we need to install in this house. Like I said in previous videos, it's a custom size. It's a 34-inch door, which they don't sell pre-hung at most hardware stores. So we had to get a custom-made 34-inch door, and that's for a 36-inch rough opening. This is about 35 3/4, so it'll be a nice tight fit. 82 inches high, I think this is 80 inches, so that works as well. The problem with this door is all the rest of the doors in the house are 6-panel masonite composite solid core. This is a solid wood composite door, and it is super heavy. I think it's actually meant to be an exterior door, and we're gonna have to use it for the interior because no one else makes the cheaper version of that door in a 34-inch width. So we'll see how that goes. All right. All right, the door is in, and it was actually a lot of trouble because the floor here actually slopes up a little bit. I'd say about, look at that gap, that is huge. And then here, so it's about a 1/4 of an inch where it's sloping up. And the problem is that if I don't clear this area right here, I will hit the quarter round at the edge. Now, in hindsight, maybe it's better to remove the quarter round so that I can lower the door. Maybe I'll think about that tomorrow, but right now, quarter round is hitting the door edge right around here if I go too low. That being said, if you look, I am flat on this surface here at the edge of the door jamb here, and that's about as good as I can get it. So it's not ideal in terms of the door, right? But I was able to get it straight so that the top corner here sits properly, right? You want no interaction between the door edge, and that's what you get here, just perfectly. So it's in, but I'll evaluate tomorrow whether or not we want to make additional adjustments to make this better. But for now, it's in. So the new locks are installed, but the one unfortunate thing, because it's a universal left and right hand, you can't determine which way the key is going to insert into the lock. So this one, because we had to flip it upside down, the bottom of the key faces the top, but on the lock, the bottom of the key is the bottom. So it'd be nice if you could just do both the same way, but that's not going to be the case. That's what you get when you get universal handles. But other than that, new hardware's in. Just need to get some batteries for the new electronic deadbolt with the keypad and program it. And this will be our new master set for the front house. Okay, I think I figured it out. There's a step where you hold the lock, insert the battery, and then it figures out what orientation the lock is in, this side or that side. And then, now, if I lock, that's locked, so unlock, lock. Okay.
Hello. Cool. Looking good.